Hello guys, so let's start. As I explained before, this is the structure. So open the terminal or the CMD on Windows and go to the project directory. Here I am in the YouTube Golang directory. I will make a new directory. We'll call it Chi Mango. Okay, Chi Mango, and let's create the let's make it recursive. This is the convention which I used, and I believe many developers use it. CMD, we will create API. Alright, and let's create, as we said, handlers. Let's create, let me see here what we have handlers, we have services, we have models, right? Router, it will be inside handlers, models, everything here is good. Yeah, for now just keep it like this. So let's open in the Visual Studio Code. No, I don't trust. Sorry. Alright, let's create our main.go package main func main. Let's log that print ln main, just test. Okay, let's go back to our in the CMD here, guys. This is my convention, and as I told you before, many developers do it. Many developers do it, but you can structure the application as you want. There is no standard way to structure your Go application, because we are not choosing framework like Laravel or Django. So as you like, you can structure it as you like. Follow me if you want my structure. And I think after this series I will create a couple series with different application structure. So just do it with me now, and we will see later. So we have the routes that go, it's also package main, and maybe we will have some middlewares, I don't know. And by the way, the middleware is something between the request and the response. So when we make a middleware, it's also inside package main. So we have handlers, we have models, we have services. Alright, now we will use the Chi router. Go Chi router, as I mentioned. Just of course we want to install the router, so we can go mod init. Let's call it Go Chi Mango. Alright, so let's back to the router. I really like this router, simple router, but it's very good one. So yeah, it's number 5, version 5, and you see it's up-to-date router. Actually I was used Gin and Echo. I like both, but maybe in the future I will make another series. For now let's choose just this because it's just router. Echo and Gin, it's more like framework. So do this. Alright, we get the router now, and let's use the live load. We don't want to reload the server every time, so reload this one. Yeah, you see, this is a mobilization. This guy is using Gin framework. You see the log for Gin, and it will show also the routes. Installation, you need to install this, depends on your operating system. I believe I have installed yes, so yeah. After we installed the usage here, this is the example. Let's copy the example and let's see if we can do it or not. Let's here in the root of our project, let's go .er.toml. Let's explore it. This is the root. Okay, build temp path on the root. No, I don't want on the root, I want inside main cmd /API. This is my file before cmd /API. Okay, our current directory. Nice. So just let's try it. So now, usually, for example, to run the main, you will need go run inside cmd API main.go. You see why it's like this? It's println main. Okay, but now let's try err. You see? So let's do like so. Let me create main, updated, save. You see, building, running. Yeah, it's really good. And the most important thing, if you have templates, it's also watch these file extensions, watch the templates, so you don't need to reload like this. But sometimes maybe it will hang, so just kill the server and just type err and everything will be good. We did err. Now what we will do, let's create our env file. Here let's create the port is equal 8080 or no, just 80,000. It's the Django, I like it. And our environment, it will be development. Alright, here we will put the MongoDB database, the MongoDB URI, and other things as we need. So to get the environment variables, we need package go.env. I think the same package. It will for express on the node JS. Yes, you see this 28, 29 and 15,000. Just install the package. Nice. And here let's go in the main, for example. By the way, the workflow of the Go programming language, the first function will run, it's the init function in the main file. It will run automatically. I think you guys, you know this. It's, as I mentioned before, it's not a beginner, it's not advanced also, but some kind advanced or intermediate. So function init, this will run. So let's check it, init, and let's go here, clear, and go err. You see, init, it's the first function will run. Just want to save and see the stuff here. It's building, running. Voila. Actually, why I didn't choose this terminal? Yeah, here we have terminal. I forgot it. Okay, so let's go to the workflow because I want to work according to this. So everything starts from the request, HTTP request, everything will go through the route. So if we go to Chi router, to use this router after we install it, yeah, you see, even 3 days ago they were, yeah. You can read all this stuff. So middlewares, we will use middlewares, maybe we will create our own custom middlewares and we will use this middlewares also. So you will create instance, you will create a router, and you see router functions. Take the HTTP response writer and a pointer to the request struct. Yeah, it's 100% compatible with the HTTP Go package. So listen and serve. Okay, so as I mentioned here, we will have handlers package. So, or yeah, let's start from this because step by step, it's a long series, so let's do it step by step. Let's create our first handler. Yeah, where I am, let's go to the handlers. Let's go to, let's name it pages handlers. Oops, pages handlers that go. So this is the package handler, this is our handler func. Let's call it home handler. As mentioned in the documentation, it will take HTTP response writer and a pointer HTTP request, no return. Yeah, no return. So just let's do, just to write something, slice of bytes. Let's write home page. Alright, this is the handler now. So on the routes I need to use this handler. So let's go create a function init routes. This function, it will return something because I want to use this function here, because here we will run the server here. So if we did, for example, g dot why I didn't install g, it's here, yeah, it's here. So in the documentation you see, let's import g. Yeah, let me make it simple for now, and I will separate the packages. Let's get g, and we call it router max route. I like to call it max. It will be g dot new router. Let's call max dot get, this is, and the handler function, which is from hand. Why it doesn't work, I don't know why. So what is the module name? It's okay, we will get it like so. Why this handlers? Okay, so now we have handlers, home handler. This is the first handler here. So here now we can use like so. I will use more robust way, but for now let's do it like so. Listen and serve. Let's do it server. It's http dot server. It will have address. Let's it. We will use .env to get it from the env. Just for now I want to show you the router. Let's have, we have the handler. It will be HTTP handler, and this new router, it will return a mux which is of type HTTP handler. So we can use this mux here, and let's go server dot listen and serve. This will return an error, so we need to handle this error. But for now let's do this. Let's use our good friend earth missing function body on the routes. Of course I don't need it. Building a net running. So let's go to localhost 8080 or what? Why this? Running main handler, home handler, of course, the port. The home page. We have the home page now. Okay, and by the way, you see this init, this is from the init function. So from the init now I want to get the port so I can use it here. So let's add some variables. We have port of type string and we have inf of type string. I don't know, I don't need this, but so first of all we need to load the .env file, because if we go to go.env, I just want guys to show you the document so you can read the document. You see here you need to load it, right? So error is dot, why this it doesn't get it, so I need to do it like so. So dot go.env dot load, since it's in the root of our application, so we can .env. So let's be a good developers and handle the error. If I cannot load this, I want to kill the program, because in the future we will have the database URL here. So if we don't connect, if we couldn't connect to the database, we don't have anything. So I need to kill the program. So log dot fatal error. Alright, otherwise now I can get this port equal os dot get env the key, which is this port, right? Just I want you to be sure that we load it now, because actually I don't like to do anything, I don't want to hard code anything. Everything should be in the .env, or you can use the operating system environments. So here we need fun.s printf give me the port. Let's run our application, and it's running, so we don't have anything in the init. So let's see now. Yeah, it's still running. Okay, it's log dot println just to track the staff. Loaded successfully. Yeah, loaded successfully. Nice. Now the second, where is it here? Yeah, the second step to get this handler inside the handler package and get the router inside here, inside the route package, so we can call it from here. I will stop now. I don't want to make this a long video, so I will stop now and we will continue later. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe and share the video and like or dislike it as you want. Thank you. See you in another tutorial. Bye.